Now try this again. Come on up. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Out here with Mom. Come on. Good job. Excellent. Can you stretch any further? Come on. Pause. Take it a paw. Good. Very nice. And look how hard you have to work up here. Yeah, very nice. Good job. Okay, bud. You want to try again? Come up here. Good job. All the way up. Good. Good. Take a paw. Yeah. Nice job. Can I get a different paw? Yeah. Nice job, bud. Do you sit? Or are we not ready for sit? We're not ready for sit. Okay, how about just a paw then? Good. Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five, paw? Not two, just one. Very pretty. There you go. Good boy. Very nice. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good job. Good touch. Touch. Good. Touch. Yeah. Touch. Oh, okay. Come back. Yeah, come back out now. Yeah. Good boy. Can you try to sit again? No? Okay. It's okay. Back out.